There are now more than 19,000 confirmed cases of the coronavirus here in Maryland. 858 people have died. Hello again, I'm Lynn Bowie. With the number of cases increasing, today the city opened its first field hospital to help treat coronavirus patients. WJZ investigator Mike Halgren is live at the convention center downtown with more details. Mike, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Lynn. Good afternoon, everybody. 250 beds are ready here. This is a partnership between the University of Maryland Medical System and Johns Hopkins, and it's part of the governor's plan to increase the total number of beds available statewide to deal with COVID-19. The number of people in intensive care and acute care hospital beds in Maryland has increased by 50 total, along with both cases and deaths. Governor Hogan told CBS's Face the Nation Maryland is still not ready to reopen.
We can't stop the virus, but we've, at least up till now, stopped the overflow of our healthcare system, the overburdening of the ICU beds and ventilators and things like that.
The state has ramped up testing with more than 8,000 new tests in the past 24 hours.
We should have more assistance from the federal government on testing. I think we finally have driven that message home, and this week, just yesterday, we had another call with the vice president and his team. They've made some progress on making some more labs available, on trying to ramp up production of tests here in America.
The field hospital at the Baltimore Convention Center is opened and is accepting patients from hospitals around the city who are COVID-19 positive and still in need of medical attention as they recover, but not intensive care. Also, Maryland's Beacon unemployment website is up and running again after the state shut it down over the weekend. It's operating at slower speeds, and the Department of Labor says the vendor cannot guarantee those applying for unemployment won't face more technical difficulties. A lot of people have been frustrated with that. We also got an update on the number of cases in the correctional system in Maryland that stands at 217. That's 157 officers, 50 inmates, and 10 non-uniformed staff. The highest number of cases is at the Jessup Correctional Institution. Reporting live at the Convention Center, Mike Halgren, WJZ.